Yes. Obesity. Obesity, the question was asked, what is that for obesity? I know I was 291, that wasn't too bad for my height, but I had a stomach way out here. Obesity is when we eat excessively, compelled because we are not being fed. We eat, but we are nourished. So we have a tablet, just came out, that would, like I didn't eat this morning, I've not eaten anything today. I may not eat today. I drank those tablets today. I'm fired up now. So what it does is to break down the fat. It's a diuretic. Also deliver a lot of energy. Iron, phosphorus, potassium, all of this. And you'll be losing the weight like 2 pounds a day without feeling hungry. Yes, we do have that, but that's my daughter there, Kelly. Of course, because you nourish it, you'll be feeding the baby. Of course, there's no chemical in it, so it's not as good.